Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making chicken bread. Yes, chicken bread. Chicken bread. So my ingredients are very simple. I will be using my chicken flour. I'll put the link down below of the of how I made this chicken flour. So this is 1.5 cups of chicken flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 8 ounces of cream cheese or just the bar, a scoop of vanilla whey protein powder, a tablespoon of sweetener, 8 eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of water, a cup of butter, a teaspoon of cream of tartar. I'm just going to use that to whisk my egg white, and of course some salt, maybe like a teaspoon. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is actually to separate our eggs, and then I'm going to have all my dry ingredients in one bowl and mixed together. Yeah, that's a chicken that didn't blend very well. Mix all, set aside. I'm going to separate my eggs, so the yolk will go into the butter. I need to save myself some wash up. Okay, we have set that aside. Yeah. Add my tablespoons of baking powder, 2 of that. By the time I get to this stage, I will turn my oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put 1/3 of this into the mixture. My cream cheese didn't mix in very well. That is what you see here because it was frozen before I brought it out from the fridge. So, but it doesn't really matter. I buttered my pan, and then I laid a parchment paper at the bottom. I'm just gonna scoop it in. So I'm going to allow it sit here for like 10 to 20 minutes before I put it in the oven. So I am going to put it in my oven that is ready and ready. Our chicken bread is ready. So I'm going to leave it and this to cool down maybe for the next 10 minutes. And then I'll bring it out. Ooh, feels so soft. So I'm going to keep it aside and allow it to cool down, and then we'll come and see what it looks like. So it's time to do the honors roll. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to make it smaller. Ooh, that looks so good. I am going to wait for this thing to cool down. Ooh, smells good in here. Smells good. So I'm taking a bite with my cinnamon butter. This is bread heaven. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.